Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how Spotify Blend works. Spotify Blend is a fun feature that lets you and a friend combine your music tastes into one playlist. It updates daily with songs that both of you might like, making it a unique way to share music. To get started, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Remember, this feature is only available on mobile. In the search bar, type Blend and you'll find the option under the Made For You section. You can also navigate to the Made For You menu to find it. Once you're there, tap on Create a Blend. Now, you'll need to invite a friend to join your blend. Just pick a friend from your contacts or share the invite link with them. Once they accept, Spotify will create a shared playlist that reflects both of your music preferences. The playlist will show songs that are either a match between both of your tastes or songs that are specific to one of you. It's a mix of both of your favorite tracks and it updates daily, so you'll always have fresh music. If you want to see how your music preferences compare, you can check out Blend Scores. This will give you some interesting stats, like what percentage of your music tastes match. You'll also be able to see which songs you both like or which ones are unique to each person. If you ever want to remove a song from the playlist, you can hide it, or if you really like certain tracks, you can add them to your own playlists. You can also share the Blend playlist with others. And that's how Spotify Blend works. It's a simple way to connect with your friends over music, and the playlist updates automatically every day. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.